are the hero that your inner child was looking for. Therefore, the only person you need to impress is yourself. Okay? If you ever sit with yourself and look into your past and think about all the wishes, all the dreams that your younger version had, you will realize that you're living most of those prayers right now. You are living that life right now. If you ever just get a minute, sit with yourself and look into all the dreams, all the goals that your younger version had, and you will realize that you have achieved almost half of it. Okay, you might not be happy with your life right now, but your younger version is really really proud of you and is really happy to see you living that life that they are or they were dreaming of. Okay, so you need to understand that the only person you need to impress is yourself. Okay, you need to ask yourself, are you happy with the life that you are currently living? Are you happy with the career that you've chosen? Are you happy with people you have surrounded yourself with? Because in the end, you are the only person that matters. Okay, people will have opinions, people will have advices, but you need to know which advice you are going to take on and which you can just ignore. Okay, because every person you meet will have an opinion of you, will have an advice for you. But if you end up listening to every person who is giving an opinion or who is giving advice on how you should live your life, you will end up nowhere. Whenever we meet someone, we have an opinion is formed in our brain. Okay, then every single one thinks a different way, so everyone will have different advice for you. But if you end up listening to everyone, you are not going to be anywhere. So you need to ask yourself, what do you want to achieve in life? Where do you want to be in 5 years? What type of life you want to live? And then you need to work according to that. Okay, because in the end, you need to be happy with the life you are living, because the only person that matters is you. Okay, in the end, when you're on your deathbed, you need to be happy with the life that you have lived so far, or the way you have lived your life. You need to be extremely satisfied with that, because we don't want any regrets on a deathbed. Okay, we do not want any regrets on a deathbed. Okay, we need to be happy with the kind of life that we've lived. If you like traveling, save up money, go traveling. Don't wait for the right time to start traveling, because there is no right time. Okay, we all are here to live a life. It's a very short life. Sorry, it's a very short life. Okay, we don't know when we are gonna die, we don't know when our life is gonna end. So instead of impressing other people with doing something you are not happy to do, learn to live by yourself. Learn to live the life that you've always dreamt of. Okay, if you want to land a role in a very high paying job, go work for it. Okay, but in the end, you need to be happy with your life. Okay, don't follow other people's footsteps. Just because they have worked a certain way, that doesn't mean you have to work a certain way. Okay, if they've walked their life in a different way, you don't have to walk your life in that way. Okay, in the end, you need to be happy with your life. Okay, because you are the hero your inner child has been looking for. The only person you need to impress is that younger version of yourself. Okay, because they need to be happy with what you've achieved so far, and that's the only person who's gonna matter. Let me tell you that's the only person who's gonna matter. And if you live your life impressing other people, you are not going to be happy. Okay, you think people who are posting on social media with their luxurious cars and they're only living to impress other people are actually happy? They're not happy, because they're constantly living for external validation. They're constantly living to impress other people. Okay, and if they stop receiving that attention, they will lose themselves. They will think, oh, who am I even living for? Because they've always been craving external external validation. Okay, because what if one day they post something and people don't care, people don't like it, people don't comment, they will be depressed in a minute, because all their life they have been living for other people. Okay, they have not been living for themselves. They bought a car just to impress other people. They took that job just to impress their parents. They lived a certain way just to be in the good books in of the society. They chose to get married at a certain age to make their parents happy. But no, but they have not sat with themselves and asked, like, what do I want? Do I want to get married at this age? Do I want to build a career? Do I want to go into this career? Do I want this car, or is it just to impress other people? So there's this motto that I live by. Whenever I want to buy something or whenever I want to do something in life, I always ask myself, am I doing this for myself, or am I doing this so that other people are happy with the way I'm living my life? Because this is your life. You need to constantly remind yourself this is your life, and you should be happy with the way you are living your life, and no one else should matter. No one else should matter. Not your friends, not your family, not your relatives, not your classmates. No. And stop trying to impress other people. They don't care. No one cares. So stop trying to impress other people. We are at that age now where we are in that stage where we want other people to be impressed by the life we are living. Okay, we are in that, oh, my enemy should know that I am engaged now, my enemy should know that I'm living the best life possible. But the hard truth is that no one cares. They don't care about how you're living your life. Instead, they are just focusing on their life, because we all have problems. Okay, we all have problems in life, and most of us are too focused on our problems that we don't care what other people are doing. Someone bought a car, they'll be like, yeah, so congrats, like, I'm happy for them. They are happy, but they are not going to be jealous of them, or they're not going to start comparing their life to that person's life, because that's who I am. I am really happy for people achieving everything in life. I'm really happy with people who are achieving their goals, who are living a very good life. I'm really, really happy for them. Even my enemies who did me wrong, I am extremely happy with how they've ended up, with whom they've ended up, with what career they've chosen. But that is not gonna stop me from achieving what I want to achieve. Okay, or that is not gonna, I'm not gonna start comparing that, oh, I have so many problems in life, she doesn't have any problems. I'm not gonna start comparing, because we all have problems. We all are too focused on our problems. We all are focused on the life we want to live. We all are focused on the career we want to move into. We all have our own problems to worry about. Okay, so I'm telling you, no one gives the word about how you are living your life. No one cares. No one actually cares. So stop living for other people. Okay, stop living for other people. You want to buy a car, go buy a car, but don't look for external validation. Even if it's like the cheapest car ever, who cares? It's your first car. Be happy. It's my first car with my hard-earned money. Even though purchased your car at the age of 35, that is fine. At least you've done it. Most people don't even end up buying a car. They never buy a car, right? At least you have bought. It's your first car, it's your first purchase. Be happy with it, instead of comparing yourself to people who have already bought their first cars, who have they already own 2 to 3 cars. Instead of comparing your life to them, be grateful for where you are in life, because it's your life. Be grateful that you at least had the opportunity to buy a car for yourself, because if you look at the world, half of them don't even own a car, and they never have owned a car. Okay, and they never will own a car. Okay, because a financial status, or whatever problem that they're going through, or they just don't want to buy a car, whatever it is, people don't get the opportunity to buy their first car, and you had the opportunity to buy your first car. So learn to be grateful with life. Learn to be grateful with where you are in life right now. Keep working hard. Keep achieving those goals. Keep working towards a life you want to live. And learn to water your own grass before comparing yourself to people. Learn to water your own grass. Be happy with where you are in life. Be extremely grateful with where you are in life right now. Okay? Think about how to impress that younger version of yourself. Learn how to impress them. Learn how to impress yourself. Are you happy? Because that's the point of life, right? Are you happy? Are you satisfied? Are you stress free? That is the main question you should be asking. Let people do whatever they want to do in the world. If you find yourself constantly comparing to people you see on social media or your people you surround yourself with, okay, but you know that it will take you time to reach to their level, right? Unfollow those people on social media, because you need to learn how to be happy. If your friends are doing well in life, and because of some reason you are behind, or you feel you're behind, because no one is actually behind in life. There is no timeline set for anyone. It's your life. You're going to achieve things whenever you feel like, right? So you are in a group where people are extremely well to do, they're doing extremely well in life, and you feel like you're behind in life because you have your own set of problems to deal with. People are financially dependent on you, and you are struggling, whatever it is, you feel you are left behind in life. Okay, stop hanging out with those people, because what you will do is you will end up comparing yourself to them, and it will keep you in a loop where you'll be like, what's the point of me living? My friends are here and I'm not even here. And we don't want to live a life where we are unhappy, trust me. So learn to be happy with where you are in life right now. Stop following people on social media, unfollow them. They don't need your follow anyway. Okay, let them gain people who are, let them gain people, let them gain followers. You don't have to follow them. If there are some friends in you, if there are some people on social media who you've been following since a very very long time, but whenever you look at them you get frustrated with your life, unfollow them. Unfollow them. Trust me, social media is just an app. It's not your entire life. It's just an app. Unfollow people. Instead, follow people who make you feel good about yourself. And this doesn't mean that you shouldn't work hard. You shouldn't work hard to achieve your goals, or you should be as laid back as possible. I'm not asking you to do all that. Hustle. If you have a certain goal and you want to achieve it, go ahead, achieve that goal, work extremely hard for it. Surround yourself with people who are extremely high achieving, but only surround yourself with those people if they are motivating you. But if you are constantly comparing yourself while you're hanging out with them, or once you're home you're constantly comparing yourself to them, then they are not your friends. Okay, because you need to surround yourself with people who are motivating you to achieve your best life. Okay, so I'm not asking you to be extremely chill, not have goals, not worry about anything in life. No. If you want to achieve a certain life, if you want to live a certain life by a certain age, hustle till you get that. Work extremely hard till you get that life. I'm asking you, while you're hustling for that life, learn to be grateful. Learn to be grateful, and stop comparing yourself to people you see on social media or people you hang out with. Stop. You're working hard. You have problems in life. People who that are financially dependent on you, whilst if you look at their life, they have no one dependent on them. That's why they have the money to spend on themselves. And you have responsibilities. You have to take care of people. So that's why you've not achieved that thing yet. I'm asking you to be grateful and to understand that there is no timeline to achieving things. Okay, if you have achieved a certain thing by the age of 40, great, congrats, at least you've achieved it. I'm just saying, while you're in the process of going somewhere, while you're in the process of achieving a goal, you're in the process of building a life for yourself, don't compare yourself. During that journey, don't compare yourself to people who have already achieved that life. Okay, because you are on page number 2 and you're comparing yourself to people who are already reached the end of the book. So don't compare. Be happy for them, root for them, you know, be happy for them, but be happy for yourself as well, because you are also doing extremely well. You're working hard, you're working hard, you are there, you're living, you're working hard, you will get there one day. Same goes with social media. Earlier, I used to compare myself to people who had reached a certain number of followers on social media and I had not reached there. And I used to compare myself. Yeah, how did they reach? Why am I not there yet? I was extremely sad. I was not happy with where I was in life right now. And then I realized that these people have been making content since COVID. These people have been making content since COVID. So 2020, right now it's 2026. So they have been making content since 5 years. That's why they are where they are. Whereas I have been making content for 1 year. I will get there. I will get there eventually. I will get there. But that doesn't mean I'm going to compare myself to them. I am happy with the number of followers they've gained. I'm happy with where they are in life right now. I'm extremely, extremely proud of them. But that doesn't mean I'm not working hard. That doesn't mean I should start comparing myself to them. No, they have been making content for the past 5 years. Okay, so they've also gone through this era where they felt like, oh my god, this is not working for me, I should give up on this, maybe this is not, content creation is not for me. They must have also thought to themselves. But the difference is they did not give up on themselves. They kept going, they kept making content. And during COVID, people were actually making fun of them. People were actually making fun of people who were posting on social media. Even before COVID, during 2018, 2019, people were constantly making fun of people who were posting on social media. So they have gone through that stage where content creation was, everyone was not doing content creation. Everyone was not on social media. They have gone through that stage where people are not even posting pictures of themselves on social media. People used to make fun of them. People used to tell them, oh, you should give up, it's not going to help you go anywhere. But they did not give up on themselves. So the only lesson you should be learning from people who are doing better than you is not to give up on yourself. Sorry, not to give up on yourself. You want to hang out with people who are doing better than you, go ahead. Okay, but 2 lessons: do not compare yourself while you're hanging out with them. Do not get jealous of them that they're doing better than you. Okay, these are the 2 lessons that you need to remember. Hang out with whoever you want, follow whoever you want on social media. But if you find yourself comparing your life to them, that's the time you should know that you need to unfollow them, or you need to block them, or you need to cut them off completely. Because what we are not going to do is, we are not going to be unhappy for ourselves. Okay, we are not going to be unhappy with ourselves while other people are happy with their life. Okay, we are not going to be unhappy with our life. We are working, we will get there eventually, but in the meantime, we need to be happy for ourselves. We need to be grateful with where we are, and we need to keep working hard till that dream becomes our reality. Because what we are not going to do is, we are not going to give up on ourselves. Okay, and we are not going to compare ourselves. with anyone in this world. Let them achieve whatever they want to, let them do whatever they want to. You are not gonna compare yourself, and you're not gonna not be grateful. Okay? So you're gonna be grateful. That's what I meant by that line. Okay? Because you are the hero that your inner child was looking for. You're already at that stage where your inner child was constantly dreaming of. Because if you sit with yourself and look back, you are living many of the answered prayers. Your youngest child was dreaming of this life and you are living it right now. Okay? So be happy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. It became a bit serious, but yeah, I just thought that people should know about this, and it was kind of like I'm talking to myself as well because I needed this talk. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.